welcome to VLADA'S Seeds of Life and our quick, all-natural dessert recipe. Peel and core 6 apples, making sure opening is big enough. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of finely ground walnuts, 1 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Mix the ingredients together and stuff them well in apples. Once done, roll the apples in this mixture and set them in a baking pan. Pour the rest of the walnut mixture on top and drizzle it all with extra virgin olive oil. Bake it on 360 for 35 minutes or until apples are soft. Here comes the fun part. Serve it drizzled with the balsamic reduction, a little bit of the sauce, a scoop of ice cream, and maybe a little whipped cream, and there you have it. We would love to hear your comments, and until then, thank you all for watching.